How to embed videos onto your Google Sites. So I'm just going to make a new website here. I'm just going to pick one of the pre-made templates, but this tutorial will work on any template or sites you have. And on the right hand side here, you should already see the obvious options, which is embed. So we can have a couple options to embed a video. You can either embed a video from YouTube, from Instagram, from Canva, whichever you'd like. I'll show you all three how to do that. So I'll just press embed here and it'll ask you either by URL or by embed code. So by URL, it only works for a couple websites, I think. So I'm just going to go onto the embed code, which is more reliable in my opinion. So for the video, I'm just going to embed this royalty-free music. I'm going to press share and it'll be the first one that comes up, embed. You can make it so it starts at the time you want. You can change this if I want to start it at 5 seconds instead. You can also make it show player controls or enable privacy enhanced mode. I'm just going to keep it at that. So just copy this code, all of it, copy, and then go to your sites and then just copy and paste the code there. Next, it'll show you a preview of the element you just embedded. Let's press insert. And there you go. Your YouTube video is now embedded onto your Google Sites. You can also embed other things like Instagram. This is the same as well. You press on these three dots up here. Press embed. It'll take a while to load. Give it a second. Now copy embedded code. Go back. Paste that in. Next. Again, it'll show you a preview of the embedded elements you just made. After you're happy with it or not, just press insert. And there you go. Your post is now embedded onto Google Sites as well. Now, last one, a Canva design. You can upload your own video here and then embed that onto your sites. So let's press share. Scroll down. More. Embed. Press embed and copy the HTML embed code. The smart embed link can only do on a, see, like there's only a couple supported platforms, so just press HTML embed code instead. Go back, same process, embed code, paste, insert. There you go. Your Canva is now embedded onto your Google Sites. So that is how you embed videos onto your Google Sites.